This completely changed my life. I've been so blessed and I'm so grateful to have actually had people tell me that. What's going on? This is your coach, Trev Bucheri here, and I hope you're just doing great today. Hope you and your family are safe. And today we're talking about a quote by the famous philosopher William James that said, "Know that the actions that you take mean something because they do." Today we're talking about the little things. We're talking about the little things that we do for others that make so much of an impact that we may not even realize it. All the little things. Let's just say that we're paying for our coffee at the morning drive-thru. We go and get our coffee and we say, hey, you know what? I'm going to take care of the person behind me. I don't even know them, but I'm going to pay for their coffee as well. We have no idea what a small act like that is going to do for someone else's life and the lives that they are touching as well. Maybe they're at the bottom of the barrel. Maybe they're just so looking forward to that coffee, they got nothing else going on. And then they actually realize that someone cares for them. And it sparks some idea, and that idea is then trickled on to so many more lives throughout the day. And then from the days from there, they affect more lives and so on and so forth. Every little thing that we do matters. Every action that we take is impactful. I truly believe we all have the purpose of service, serving other people in some way, shape, and form. We're all multi-talented in our own way, and we serve in our own way. So the greatness we're able to spread through other people is only specific to what we can give individually, because our talents and our purpose are fingerprint specific. I truly believe that. So I just want you to know, every move that you're making, every thoughtful action for another person has so much more impact than you can ever imagine. The ripple effect is truly endless. So continue doing that and know that the actions that you're doing to help others, to impact others, to lift others up, it matters. So thank you so much for myself and everyone that you are impacting. This is your coach, Trev Bucheri. Thank you so much for your time. I so appreciate you. You have an incredible rest of your day. Take care.